Are you looking for the best vertical climbers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best vertical climbers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ancheer Vertical Climber. Ancheer's Vertical Climber is a favorite among budget shoppers. It's highly efficient and can help you lose weight and target key muscle groups. Tone your back, chest, thighs, triceps, core and other areas with short and effective workouts on your own time. You can burn up to 500 calories an hour on this climber. That's more than you might burn on a stationary bike in the same amount of time. Your body weight acts as the resistance, so you'll work hard with every step. If you're just beginning, start slow and work on building muscle strength and endurance. You can also adjust the height to 5 different levels to find a comfortable fit for your height. Designed for heavier users, the frame supports up to 350 pounds. That's more than most other climbers on this list, even the more expensive ones. Ancheer doesn't provide a height limit, but users up to 6 feet 2 inches say they can comfortably climb without knee or back strain. Although this climber is compact, it folds almost flat to save more space. You can slide it underneath your bed or store it in a closet. Moving on at number 4, we have the MaxiClimber XL 2000 Hydraulic Resistance Vertical Climber. The MaxiClimber XL 2000 offers 12 resistance levels, which is more than most other climbers in this price range. It's a big improvement over the original version, which doesn't even have resistance levels. Complete with bidirectional movements, rest assured that you're getting a great workout on the MaxiClimber. If you're looking for a cardio machine that will melt away fat and tone muscles without stressing your joints, the XL 200 checks all the boxes. The combined cardio and strength training workouts help tone and strengthen your entire body. Even if you can only handle a few minutes of high-intensity training at first, it's a great way to reboot your fitness routine. Whether you're using a vertical climber for the first time or would like some extra motivation, check out the MaxiClimber fitness app with specific workouts. It's compatible with iOS and Android systems. The integrated device holder fits most smartphones. Smooth hydraulics makes even the most rigorous workouts much more pleasant. You'll feel in control with every step, including sprints. Constructed with an aluminum frame and long-lasting rollers, the XL version closely resembles those professional machines you use at the gym. You might feel conscious about making too much noise, especially if you have downstairs neighbors. However, this machine is pretty quiet. Many users say they can use headphones at a comfortable volume or watch TV without increasing the volume. This MaxiClimber is compact enough for apartment dwellers. It also folds for storage. The trickiest part could be the assembly, which can be frustrating and time-consuming because there are so many small parts. At number 3, we have the Relife Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber. If you're looking for an affordable exercise machine for an apartment or small home gym, consider this compact vertical climber. It measures 37.5 x 28 by 85 inches and folds to slide under your bed or into a corner. Great for quick workouts and work from home breaks, you can burn a ton of calories in 30 minutes or less. It's an effective way to avoid prolonged sitting, which is bad for anyone. Even if you only have a few minutes, you can hop on to get your heart pumping and burn extra calories. If you're new to vertical climbers, starting slow and easy is your best bet for building a meaningful workout routine. Your early workouts might only last a few minutes before fatigue sets in. You can change the speed, foot position and other settings to make workouts harder or easier. There are 5 resistance levels to challenge yourself. The gears are height adjustable to make workouts harder or easier. Living in close quarters? This quiet climber won't disturb sleeping family members or neighbors. With a 260-pound weight capacity, heavier users can comfortably use this machine. It's easy on the knees and back for effective low-impact workouts. In terms of reliability, there's a 1-year warranty on the frame and a lifetime warranty on most other parts, which few other climbers in this price range offer. Although the Clmbr seems reliable, several users suggest periodically applying white lithium grease to avoid wearing out the glides. You can put an equipment mat underneath to capture grease splatters if necessary. At number 2, we have the CrossClimber Vertical Climber. If you're into climbing outdoors, the fact that the CrossClimber incorporates 2 climbing modes makes it especially appealing. You can freely switch between straight and cross-crawl movements to work muscle groups other vertical climbers can't. Even some of the pricier machines don't offer this feature. At 40.4 x 25, 5 by 79 inches, it's not much bigger than most budget climbers. That means you can comfortably exercise in an apartment or condo. Even better? It folds when you're done to save valuable space, just like our favorite collapsible exercise bikes. After your workout, just pull the pin to fold the frame, then insert it to lock the frame for safe storage. No matter how hard you're working, CrossClimber won't wobble with intense use. Its sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, while aircraft aluminum handles give your hands a firm grip. The weight capacity is a bit low for this price range, but heavier users say they feel comfortable and safe at maximum intensity. Unlike some lower-priced machines, this one doesn't require lubrication. You also don't have to worry about grinding or metal shavings falling off with repeated use. To put your mind at ease, CrossClimber comes with a 1-year warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the Clmbr Vertical Climber. Out of all the vertical climbers out there, is decidedly the most interactive. If you find solo workouts boring, the large display is great for staying physically and mentally engaged. As with our favorite virtual exercise bikes, you're face-to-face with high-level instructors and classes for a studio-level experience. Combined with a powerful sound system, it's our top pick if you're looking for the best vertical climber for a truly immersive experience. You'll get the most bang for your buck when you invest in the Clmbr platform. It costs an extra $39 per month, but you'll get access to hundreds of on-demand classes, including non-climbing workouts. Live classes currently aren't an option, but you can stay motivated with real-time feedback from instructors. Missing your climbing buddies? Community climbs simulate outdoor adventures, including famous peaks to keep you working towards your next goal. Classes range from 5 to 45 minutes to fit your schedule on any day. A 30-minute workout can burn over 600 calories to effectively shed pounds. You're building cardio endurance and strength at the same time, which helps you get fitter faster. Discrete resistance settings, a feature that isn't a given in this price range, let you keep up with your favorite instructors. An ideal complement to your HIIT, yoga or running workouts, Clmbr gets you in amazing shape without stressing your back, knees or joints. It's a great way to keep your fitness routine balanced and entertaining. The handles adjust in 1-inch increments for a comfortable fit for your height. You can also position your hands in 3 different ways to work various muscles. Whatever your climbing style, the machine targets over 86% of your muscles for an effective full-body workout. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.